Hey, what's up, XRP Ripple coin holders? How are you? Hope you are fine now. Hope you have a good day, my friends. In this video, I'm talking about the XRP good news. Pump jump of the XRP price. Absolutely, you will be feeling very happy after watching this interesting video. So just keep watching this video till the end and make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. My friends, the currently latest price of the XRP Ripple coin is 0.626707 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the XRP Ripple coin. Furthermore, if we talk about the price changes of the XRP, so the latest last 1 hour, last 1 day price change so when the XRP Ripple coin is going positive. The latest changes of the XRP is positive, my friends. So that is why I'm feeling very good. I'm feeling very happy to see this kind of positive change so when the XRP Ripple coin, my friends. My friends, let me show the further more details about XRP Ripple coin. Let me show you the price chart. Wow, that's another good news, my friends. Today I only show you a good news. It's a celebration time. Today is a celebration day, my friends, because now the XRP start moving upward. XRP holders, you will become very soon a millionaire. Just look here, my friends. Just look this chart, my friends. You know what? I'm very satisfied when I see this kind of chart of the XRP Ripple coin, my friends. Believe me, my friends. Today I'm very happy to the XRP Ripple coin price changes, and the price change is positive 9.22%. That is the current price changes of the XRP Ripple coin. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.